Welcome in to the Biker Baker Show. We cook up some cookies, pies, and dough. So stick around till the end. See what kind of recipes we come up with again. Stick around and see what kind of recipes we come up with again.
Homemade vanilla, take one. All right, guys, we got us some Maker's Mark. I know it's not the cheapest that you can find, but it's what they had. And this is 45% alcohol. You don't want to go above that. It's 90 proof, but you don't want to go above 45% alcohol. 30 to 45 is fine. Other than that, if you go higher, then it will take out bitterness. It will pull out bitterness in the vanilla beans. You don't want all that. You don't want all that. And I got these. These are from the Slow Food Group. I don't know how many's in here. And these are Grade A Uganda vanilla beans.
Oh man, not in Uganda.
Definitely. Ooh. And I don't know how many's in here, but the ratio that we do is 1 bean per ounce. And there's a little bit out of here, not because I took a big swig, but because I kept some out because we're going to make bourbon chicken. Look for that one soon. We always do baked stuff, but we're going to do some bourbon chicken. So we need 20 beans because there's 20 in here. So this is about a 24 ounce bottle. So we're going to go with 20 beans. Look at those. How plump they smell. Can you smell them over there yet?
No, I can't smell them, but I can see them.
3, 4...
That's about all there is, isn't it?
No, we got plenty more. Look at this.
Oh.
And this is a 8-ounce bag. So if you get any, 8 ounce will probably make about 3 bottles of it. I should have got a 5th, with one with the handle on it. But I didn't know how many beans I was getting at the time. So, because I ordered them online. All right, let me rinse my hands off.
What you got cooking in the pot over there?
Fresh green beans with some ham, because Billy cooked a ham the other day. So we're making fresh green beans, ham, and potatoes. I haven't got the potatoes in yet because I'm waiting on the green beans to cook. And then I'm going to fry up a couple pork chops. Yum.
And I already had steak, so I'm good.
He had a steak. All right, so we're going to take these beans and we're going to slice them down the middle. Open these babies up. And then cut it in 2. And then we're just going to drop it down in this bottle. Because last time I bought individual bottles, 8 ounce bottles. And I poured them into that and had the beans individual in those. This time we're just going to do this and shake it every now and then. That way we just have to shake one bottle and not individual ones. And then I will pour this into those when it's ready. And then we'll start another one.
In another year.
I think we'll start it before because the vanilla beans I don't think will last that long.
No, I'm saying this won't be ready to use it till a year.
You can use it in 6 months, 6 to 12 months, but the longer it stays in there, the better. And I have a couple more jars of vanilla, so I thought it's time to get this done. Well, he did. He's like, you better be making some.
Yeah, so, you don't want to run out of that. We use a lot of vanilla.
Yeah, and you can use vodka if you want. We're using the bourbon. And if you don't want to use alcohol, you can buy food-grade glycerin and make it that way. But, you know, we don't... the alcohol is really burned off whenever you cook, and you're only using a teaspoon or so when you use it. But really... vanilla extract is made with vodka. But you can find bourbon. And it has a little different flavor. And it has like vanilla tones that are already in it. So, and it doesn't have to be this brand. Buy the cheaper stuff. Do what you want. There's no right or wrong to this. Just do it. So we're just going to drop these down in here. You got to slice them down the middle though, so it opens up those beans in there.
And you got to keep that in a dark place.
Yep, keep it in a dark place. Shake it every week or so.
Every day for a while.
That's Billy's job.
Yeah.
You can go shake, shake, shake.
I'm the shaker.
Which is why I wish I would have bought the one with the handle on it. But I will next time. And also, I just emptied a bottle right here. And see, I got the vanilla beans in there. I'm going to drop those in here too. Why don't?
May as well. Maybe they still got some potent to them.
Yeah, you can reuse your beans. They just doesn't have as much. But look at all those beans on the side of that.
Maybe I should take some of those and make some vanilla bean ice cream.
You can.
Oh.
He's an ice cream person.
I've been making a lot of ice cream, so.
All right, I'm going to cut these up, and we'll be back when I show you get done. All right, so here is my jar, and this is dated 8/24 when we made that. So it's empty, has a lot of the beans down in there, and Billy's going to put some heavy whipping cream in it when he makes ice cream, and then just use all of those in it, so it'd be vanilla bean.
Ice cream.
And then I put those beans into this one, and they're all in here. All right, so Billy paused me, and I didn't know it. So I don't know where I was at, but here we go. So now we just shake this up every week or so and leave it sit. And then after 6 months, like I said, you can start using it, but it's not going to be full strength until a year. So I'm going to put the date right here on the label so we'll know. And this is not even near enough what we're going to need for the year.
No.
So I'm going to make the rest with those beans, the rest of those beans, but I'm going to buy the fifth. That way we have a gallon or whatever it is with the handle on it. And then we'll just set that up and just shake it. That way you don't have to shake individual jars or bottles. So
we learned after the first time, didn't we?
we know. And you don't have to get, like I say, you do not have to get Maker's Mark. You can even buy B vanilla beans, grade B. You don't have to buy the grade A. That's just what I pulled up, and that slow food group. And then with this, you can even buy stuff at just Kroger. Go in and buy you a bottle
Whatever
of
the
vodka.
cheapest is.
Yeah, as long as it's at least 80 proof and 30 to 45% alcohol by volume. All right, guys. So we'll keep you updated on this. We'll shake it. So we'll see you next time. So like, comment, share, subscribe, and hype, please, and help us grow. And thanks for watching the Biker Baker and Mr. Smith Show. Peace out.
Later, Gator.
Have a great day.